Hi everyone, let's solve the first question from today's weekly contest, that is count the number of vowel strings in range. Here you are given a zero indexed array of string called words, right? Here you can see words is an array of strings and we are given two integers left and right. And we need to search for vowel strings, right? Here you can see we need to search for vowel strings inside of this particular range. And what is a vowel string? It is a vowel string is nothing but a string that starts with a vowel character and ends with a vowel character, right? So here we are given these strings, right, inside of words array, and we are given this range. So first of all, what is this range, right? So this range is nothing but it is telling us in what elements of words we have to search for, right? So we have to search for elements in this particular range. So these are the indexes, right? So here you see left is 0 and right is 2. So we have to search from starting from 0th index up to the second index, right? So that here it covers a whole array, but if you see the second test case, their left is given to us as 1 and right is given to us as 4. So we have to start our search from the first index up to the fourth index. So we will be covering this part of this array. So this range of this array. So that is what left and right pointer signify. So this is just the range. So, we will be just iterating inside of this range and not the size of the words range, right? Not the whole array. Right. So within this particular range, we need to count the number of vowel strings we have, right? For example, here we have to search the vowel strings within this particular range, right? So what is a vowel string? It starts with a vowel and it ends with a vowel. So here if you see A, E, O, right? We are starting from this particular index, right? So it has A, E, O. So you can see that it is a vowel string. Why? Because it starts with A and it ends on O. So both of them are vowels, right? Similarly, you move forward, you go to MU. It is not a vowel string because it does not start and end with the vowel. It is also a vowel string, and ARTRO is also a vowel string. So here in total we have 3 vowel strings. So what we will get? We will get 3 as the output. So I hope you have understood the question, right? So let's see how we will solve it. So basically what we want to do is we just want to know, the first element of the string that we are currently at and the second element or the last element of the string, and we need to compare them with these characters. So you can use if conditions also. You can check whether these are equal to A, E, I, O by using OR operator, or you can also create some container and do that within you can just search for these letters right inside of those containers, use those containers and match these characters, right? So I have taken a map. Here you can see I have taken a map. I guess I don't have to explain it on the whiteboard because since it's an easy question, I'm just going to explain it here. So here you have created a map, and then what I have done is I have just put all the vowels inside of this map. Now it makes it easier to search for the elements. So what I am just doing is I am just finding whether this particular the start, see, this is word size the string, right? So word size just represents this particular. So if I say words of 0, so it represents this particular string, right? So this is the string we are currently at, that is words of I, and we need to access the first element of the string. So that is string of 0, right? That is words of I of 0, and words of I here we have taken, right? And its last element will be the size of the string minus 1, right? So we are searching for these two, the first character and the last character inside of the map, right? So if our map contains this particular value, that means it is any of A, E, I, O, U, right? So we are just finding these first and last characters inside of the map. So if we get, right, if we get the condition that both of them are present, then we have our count variable and we will simply increment it. And we are iterating from the left to the right, right? Why? Because that is the range in which you have to search for vowel strings. So yeah, this is all that we have to do, and we will return count. So this will contain the number of vowel strings in this particular range, that is from left to right.